Did you know that some crypto staking platforms offer returns as high as 20% annually all while you do nothing but hold your assets? It sounds too good to be true, but with the right strategy, it's absolutely possible. Crypto staking isn't just a buzzword, it's a powerful way to earn passive income in the booming world of digital assets. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on the secrets to making real money through staking, including how you can earn up to $500 a day safely. But before you dive in, it's important to understand the challenges. Many people shy away from crypto staking because of misconceptions and risks. They worry about market volatility, fear getting scammed by unreliable platforms, or simply don't know where to start. These concerns are valid, but with the right knowledge and approach, you can minimize risks and maximize gains. When it comes to safe staking strategies, choosing the right cryptocurrencies is key. Established assets like Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana not only offer good returns, but also come with a level of stability that newer coins might lack. Equally important is picking reliable platforms. Places like Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase provide transparency and security, ensuring that your investment is protected. Now, here's the big secret: compounding rewards. Instead of cashing out your staking rewards immediately, reinvest them to boost your earning potential exponentially. Combined with a well-diversified staking portfolio, this strategy can help you reach that $500 a day mark faster than you think. The truth is, staking isn't just for tech experts. Anyone can get started with just a few simple steps. To wrap things up, we've covered choosing stable cryptocurrencies, using trusted platforms, and leveraging compounding to supercharge your staking income. With the right strategy, earning $500 a day isn't just a dream, it's a real possibility. I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried staking crypto before? Share your experiences in the comments. And if you're ready for even more in-depth strategies to grow your crypto wealth, check out my next video where I share insider tips on how to avoid common staking mistakes. You won't want to miss it.